Clearwater, Florida, is known for its sunny skies and coastal beauty, making natural light a prized feature in any home. Maximizing sunlight not only brightens your living spaces but also enhances mood, reduces energy costs, and brings the beauty of the outdoors inside. Bow windows are an excellent solution for Clearwater homeowners looking to flood their interiors with natural light while adding a touch of elegance to their homes. Here's how Bow Windows can help you make the most of Clearwater's abundant sunshine and elevate your home's aesthetics and functionality. The unique design of Bow windows are composed of 4 or more glass panels arranged in a gentle curve that extends outward from your home. This design allows sunlight to enter from multiple angles, creating a well-lit, open atmosphere. Why bow windows are ideal for natural light? Wide glass surface. The large, unobstructed glass panes maximize the amount of sunlight entering your home. Multiple angles. The curved design captures light from different directions, ensuring consistent brightness throughout the day. Expansive views. Bow windows provide a panoramic view of Clearwater's stunning surroundings, making your home feel more connected to the outdoors. Their distinctive design enhances both form and function, offering beauty and practicality in one feature. Creating brighter, more inviting spaces. Natural light can transform your home, making it feel more spacious, warm, and welcoming. Bow windows are particularly effective in brightening up key living areas. Best spaces for bow windows. Living rooms. Flood your main gathering space with light, creating an open, cheerful environment perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. Kitchens. A bow window over a breakfast nook or dining area adds charm and natural illumination for morning meals. Home offices. A well-lit workspace boosts productivity and reduces the need for artificial lighting. Bedrooms. Add a cozy seating nook bathed in natural light for reading or enjoying morning coffee. Bow windows bring light and life to any room, enhancing your home's overall appeal. Reducing energy costs. By maximizing natural light, bow windows reduce your reliance on artificial lighting during the day, leading to lower energy bills. Additionally, modern energy-efficient bow windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cool in Clearwater's warm climate. Energy-saving features of bow windows. Low E-glass coatings. Reflect heat while allowing sunlight to pass through, maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature. Insulated glass panes. Double or triple pane glass improves thermal performance, reducing the strain on your air conditioning. Professional sealing. Expert installation ensures airtight seals that prevent air leaks and drafts. By optimizing natural light and improving energy efficiency, bow windows offer cost savings alongside aesthetic benefits. Highlighting interior and exterior design. Bow windows are not just functional, they're also a stunning design feature that enhances your home's aesthetics inside and out. Their ability to amplify natural light makes them an ideal choice for highlighting your home's architecture and decor. Interior design benefits. Enhanced decor. Natural light brings out the colors and textures of your furnishings and interior finishes. Versatile use. Create a seating nook, display plants, or showcase decorative items in the extended window space. Open feel. The outward curve of bow windows adds depth to your interiors, making rooms feel larger and more open. Exterior design benefits. Architectural focal point. Bow windows add character and sophistication to your home's facade. Custom finishes. Choose from materials, colors, and decorative elements to match your home's style. Bow windows blend beauty with functionality, transforming your home inside and out. Connecting indoor and outdoor spaces. Bow windows create a seamless connection between your home's interior and the natural beauty of Clearwater. Their panoramic design invites the outdoors in, allowing you to enjoy scenic views without leaving the comfort of your home. Benefits of this connection. Seasonal views. Watch Clearwater's changing seasons, from sunny skies to lush greenery, right from your window. Natural inspiration. The beauty of the outdoors enhances relaxation and creativity, especially in spaces like living rooms or home offices. Coastal charm. Highlight Clearwater's unique coastal appeal with windows that frame your surroundings perfectly. Bow windows turn your home into a showcase for the area's natural beauty. Customization for maximum impact. Customizing your bow windows allows you to tailor them to your home's specific needs and style. The right combination of materials, finishes, and features ensures they maximize natural light while complementing your home's design. Customization options. Frame materials. Choose durable materials like vinyl or fiberglass for a low-maintenance option, or opt for classic wood for timeless charm. Glass features. Add frosted or tinted glass for privacy, or choose clear glass to maximize views and sunlight. Decorative elements. Grills, mullions, or integrated blinds can add a touch of personalization and practicality. Custom bow windows provide a perfect blend of style and functionality for Clearwater homes. Conclusion. Bow windows are a stunning way to maximize natural light in your Clearwater home while enhancing its aesthetics, energy efficiency, and functionality. Their unique design captures sunlight from multiple angles, creating bright, inviting spaces that connect seamlessly with the outdoors. If you're ready to transform your home with bow windows, contact a trusted window professional in Clearwater. With expert guidance and installation, you can design custom bow windows that brighten your living space, reduce energy costs, and make your home a standout feature in Clearwater's beautiful coastal community.